Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about the Easy Mat Kit with the nTrust 2.0 non-programmable thermostat. You can discover the perfect blend of affordability, design flexibility, and ease of installation with the WarmlyYours Flex Kit. Paired with the nTrust 2.0 programmable thermostat, or this is the non-programmable thermostat, this system is a perfect solution for adding radiant heating to spaces of any size in your house. The pre-sized roll-out Easy Mat delivers quick installation and consistent, energy-efficient warmth, while the circuit check functionality ensures problem-free setup for a final peace of mind. So what's included in the kit? First of all, you get the TempZone Easy Mat, which comes with instructions and also wiring instructions, and it is designed to provide radiant warmth beneath your flooring. It's available in pre-sized rectangular mats measuring in 2 feet or 3 foot widths. These mats cover areas ranging from 6 to 48 square feet. Now this product is very, very thin. You don't have to worry about it building up a bunch of floor height. It is 1/8 of an inch thick, allowing for seamless installation under various flooring materials without significantly raising the floor height. It's ideal for high traffic areas. It's perfect for spot heating in areas like bathrooms and in kitchens, and ensures warm floors where you stand the most. Versatile flooring compatibility because it's suitable for installation beneath tile, stone, hardwood, and luxury vinyl tile or plank. Now it's pre-spaced on the mat. You can see the cable is pre-spaced on the mat, spaced every 3 inches, and that's going to give you very, very smooth heating, and it's going to deliver 15 watts per square foot. Now attached to it is this non-heating lead, which is 15 feet long, and it is designed to get the power from your thermostat down the wall over to the heating area. So it's very, very easy to install. Attached to this non-heating lead is what we're going to be talking about in just a second. But if you take a look at this lead, it also has the UL listing on it. So in case your inspector wants to inspect it, our product is UL listed, unlike some other products you'll see online. So you want to make sure that you notice that. And it has a 25-year no-nonsense warranty, which means it's going to cover the price of the product. It's going to cover any costs related to taking the old product out, any costs relating to putting the new product in, and any flooring that has to be replaced. That's what a no-nonsense warranty is. It's not just for the heating mat or the heating cable. So that way you have peace of mind with your investment. Now attached to this non-heating lead is our backup floor sensor. It is automatically included with your product. It's attached to the cold lead, and it provides a spare sensor that can be quickly connected if the primary sensor ever fails, making sure that you don't have an interruption in your heated floor. It's very, very easy to replace. You install them both in the floor, and you only hook one of them up to the back of the thermostat. If that thermostat sensor ever fails, you disconnect the failed unit and plug in the new unit, and then you're ready to go. That's why you leave one connected and then one balled up in the back of the box when you're installing it in your wall. So that's how you can make sure that you have a great comprehensive installation that you don't have to worry about. So let's talk about the thermostat. It's the nTrust 2.0 non-programmable thermostat. It's modern, it's easy to use. It features a bright LED display right on the front, and it has touch controls that you just touch here and use your choices there. It's non-programmable, so you don't have to try to program it, which we talk to a lot of people who just say, I don't want to try to program this thermostat. I just want one that's easy to use. This one, you set it to a temperature, you set it and forget it. It will stay that temperature until you change it again. Now, it's compatible with 120 and 240 volt floors. If you saw on our heated cable that we looked at before, it had a yellow sticker on it and also had a yellow and black lead. That means it's a 120 volt circuit and a 120 volt supply and a 120 volt heating mat. You have to make sure that those voltages all match. You can't send 240 to this thermostat and use it to power a 120 volt mat. It doesn't convert 240 into 120. And you can also use it for radiant panels. It also has built-in safety. It's got the GFCI built right into the thermostat, so you don't have to install a GFCI circuit breaker. So what else is inside this box? Well, it comes with the screws that you're going to need to mount it. It's going to come with the primary sensor, which is coiled up in the back of the box, and it's also going to come with your installation product. If you are replacing a system that did not use a sensor, no problem. You can use this thermostat in a sensorless mode, and that will act like a temperature regulator. And that is going to be able to allow you to warm your floor even if you don't have a sensor installed. It has a 3-year limited warranty, lifetime technical assistance. So let's take a look at the next thing, and that is our circuit check. The circuit check is used for immediate issue detection. It alerts you instantly if you damage the wire while you're installing it. So what this is designed to do, it monitors to make sure that you have an intact heating circuit and that you don't create a short circuit. If either one of those things happen while you're installing your system, this will make an alarm sound, and that will tell you to stop whatever you're doing and go back and take a look at what happened. So that's what this is for. It's immediate issue detection, to let you know immediately if something happens. Now, this isn't a substitute for a digital ohm meter. You're going to need one of those also, but it does provide real-time feedback. It reduces the guesswork and streamlining the installation process. So it ensures the heating system functions correctly before the floor covering is applied, because you do not want to cover a heating cable that has been damaged and doesn't work. So let's talk about what the Warmly Yours kit includes. It includes a 25-year no-nonsense warranty on the heating element. It has a 3-year warranty on the thermostat, 24/7 technical support, and a free design service if you'd like us to do a design in your room. This comprehensive kit ensures hassle-free installation and reliable, energy-efficient heating for your home. So that wraps it up for today. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time